Food contamination and cross-contamination. This presentation will discuss protecting food from contamination during storage, preparation, and service. There are right ways and wrong ways to store foods. Foods can become contaminated during storage and preparation. The next few slides will demonstrate how to safely store and process food before it is served. Foods can contain harmful microorganisms that can contaminate other foods. This is called cross-contamination. If you will be storing food in refrigerators, it should be stored as demonstrated in this slide. If you will be storing foods in coolers with ice, you must have enough coolers to separate the different types of foods. For example, store raw hamburger meat in one cooler and pre-cooked hot dogs and cheese slices in another cooler. Always separate raw animal products from ready-to-eat foods and produce. Do not commingle different types of raw animal products. Use a separate cutting board for each raw animal type, produce and ready-to-eat foods. Wipe down counters and table surfaces with a sanitizer in between tasks. Store wiping cloths in sanitizer in between use. All chemical containers must be labeled with their contents. Never store toxic materials above or next to food, utensils, equipment, linens, or single-use food items. Protect single-service articles from customer contamination by wrapping utensils or storing them with the handle end towards the customers. Protect condiments from customer contamination by using single packets, squeeze bottles, pump dispensers, or covered containers. Outdoor food service shall not be set up in an area that is uncovered sand, gravel, or dirt. These materials must be covered with plywood, cardboard, or a tarp to prevent dust and debris from contaminating the food. Concrete, asphalt, and grass-covered areas are acceptable. Extensive food preparation shall be conducted inside a building or a covered and screened-in area to prevent insects and birds from contaminating the food. This includes, but is not limited to, cutting, chopping, or assembling foods. Examples include cutting ribs and assembling tacos. This is the end of segment 5. Remember to follow these guidelines to keep your food safe during storage, preparation, and service.